guys, it's Brandon from Loud and Guitar, and today I'm going to be teaching you a lesson on how to play Jolene by Dolly Parton. And this is a fun one. You're going to start with a capo on the 4th fret, and the song starts in A minor. And A minor is like this: open A, 2 on the D, 2 on the G, and 1 on the B, and an open E. Alright, so you're going to want to start by playing the open A and hammering on to the D and the G on the 2. 2 on D and G, so like this. And then back to open A, so like this. Sorry, I missed that. So like that. And then you want to play open B and open G, it's like this. And then play 1 on B. You can also hit the G with that, the open G with that 1 on the B. It's like, so really slow, it's like this. And the second part goes like this. And what that is, so it's open B, hammer on from open to 1 to open, and then 2 on the D. It's like, and you do that right after this. Open 1, open 2. So now you have that, that's the main part. And now you're going to want to do for the chorus how it goes: A minor, C, G, back to A minor, and then back to G, then to A. The second time around is going to be a little bit different. For the most part, it's going to be the same, just one extra chord. So it goes A minor, C, G, back to A minor, so the same so far, and then G, A minor. So yeah, that's basically the entire song. You can do that throughout all the verses, all the choruses, and then, yeah, that's the whole thing. And you can use the picking pattern here. I wasn't doing it, I was just strumming. You can use a picking pattern. And then back. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And this was Jolie by Dolly Parton. And if you'd like to see more stuff like this, go to my Instagram at Loud and Guitar, and check out my TikTok at Loud and Guitar. Thank you.